Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Chrysler 300 spark plugs. First, gather your essential tools for this task. You'll need a 5/8-inch spark plug socket, a ratchet, and various extensions. Also, have 10 mm and 15 mm sockets and wrenches on hand for fasteners. Don't forget dielectric grease for the coil boots and anti-seize for the spark plug threads. These items ensure a smooth and proper installation. Before you begin, make sure your Chrysler 300 engine is completely cool to prevent burns and ensure proper component handling. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal. Next, carefully remove the engine cover. You'll then need to detach the air intake components, including the airbox and any associated hoses, to gain clear access to the ignition coils and spark plugs. Now, disconnect the electrical connectors from each ignition coil. Gently push back any red locking tabs before detaching. Use your 10 mm socket to remove the bolts securing each coil, then carefully pull the coils straight up and out. With the coils removed, use your 5/8-inch spark plug socket to loosen and extract the old spark plugs. Apply a small amount of anti-seize to the threads of your new plugs before hand tightening them, then torque to specification. With your new spark plugs in place, apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the inside of each ignition coil boot. This helps with sealing and future removal. Reinstall the ignition coils, securing them with their 10 mm bolts, and reconnect all electrical connectors. Carefully reassemble the intake manifold and air intake system, ensuring all clamps and hoses are properly secured. Finally, reconnect your negative battery terminal. Check the description for a link to these containers and other great deals. Start your engine and enjoy smoother performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.